Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I have now just had a live session where I've been testing three strategies. One strategy for support and resistance, one strategy for moving average 7, and that's a trend strategy by the way, and one for Bollinger Band together with Stochastic, what you see here now. So, before I get to which strategy is leading for now, we're going to do this for 14 days. All will be live trading, okay? So I will give you the top list. I will present it below the video if you want to just jump down there right away. Also below there you also find a link to this broker so you can copy me and follow my trades while I trade live. I trade live every Monday till Friday. Also you find yourself a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Now let's take a look at how I trade strategies and then after the results. So for Bollinger Band, the last strategy we did trade today, if you get the bar that cross the Bollinger Band in the bottom and the Stochastic go below 20, we go up. The same is for up. If you get a bar that cross the Bollinger Band in the top and the Stochastic is above 80, we go down. Simple. Then the another strategy I was using, I can remove this here now. It's also very simple. That's a trend strategy. Right, just right. Moving, and we choose the moving average. You see here. What to do then? We edit this one to 9. We change for 7, and this style with I just put it to red. Shows better, and I choose a little ticker. Okay. So what we do here? We are looking for trends. I'll show you if I find a trend here now. Here's a trend. You see it's an upward trend. So every time this bar cross below the red line, we push up. That's how we've been trading this strategy. And the last strategy of the day is just a simple support and resistance. So in this case, for example, here we have up here, we have a nice resistance. So if the bar come up to this blue line, we push down. And all is 1 minute and all have been doing $100 trades. Now, for the top list. For now, the Stochastic, no. Support resistance is leading. We ended up with a profit of $62. Number 2, Bollinger Band together with Stochastic. That one made $26. And moving average 7 with trend, that one made us $6 profit. So for now, we are leading with this strategy. After 14 days, this list might change a lot, and we are going to be trading the one that wins. Now, it does not mean that we're going to stop with this year. If any new strategy come in and I find that that strategy is good and we can make money with it, I will test it together with the winner of this one, or if you have even more, hopefully it's more, so we can have, but I will trade maximum 3 different strategies in each 14 days. So when we are end with 2024, we by sure know which strategy is better, because when I trade live, and I trade live every single day, we can clearly over 14 days, as I do many trades, we can very clearly see which one is better or not. If it's in the end of the 14 days, you have 2 strategies that are very close, it's like not so much different, we might go longer period for just the ones that are making the most profit. Just so we're sure we always are bringing the best strategy forward, okay? So, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure you sign up for the broker if I link below the video, and I'll be back again tomorrow trading live. I hope I see you then. Have an amazing day.